Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you these two solar lanterns right here. These are super cozy. I tried them already. I saw them at night already. I'm gonna wait for night again so I can show them to you. But the good thing about this one is, number one, they're solar, entirely 100% solar. You can actually hang it from anywhere you want, and it has of like you. Let me show you this one right here. This is the solar panel over here, and these are waterproof, so you can actually leave them outside. It has this really nice kind of like vintage copper bronze kind of like feel over here with this really nice and cozy bulb over here. I think these are good for like a gazebo, for example, for like a pergola like this one right here, or just like leave it in outside if you have like a patio or the entrance of your house. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna leave them charged back again, because this one you charge them with solar light, with the UV light, in about like 8 to 10 hours, I think so, and then it's gonna give you about again like 8 to 10 hours of light with this cozy light. We're gonna leave them charged, and I'm gonna come back at night so you can see how nice these are. So you can see how cozy and how nice these ones are. Remember, you can hang them, but of course these are gonna give you this kind of like yellow light, cozy yellow light and warm yellow light that is gonna kind of like have that effect over here. And actually, let me show you. If you hang it, I'm undecided when I put them. Actually, I don't know when I'm gonna put them, but if you hang them right here, you're gonna see that they're gonna be kind of like giving that effect in the shade. So I think that's actually kind of nice in both of these. Remember, these are solar. They're gonna give you a really nice kind of like decoration light, I want to say. And of course, they're gonna be charging during the day, and then at night it's gonna be auto turn on, so you're not gonna have any issues to worry about these ones. I like them. They're super cozy and warm, and also super easy to put together. I like them. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.